This is Leila Torres of OrigamiSpirit.com. In this video, you will learn how to make an origami hen basket. At the end of this video, you will know how to make this version and this version. This is slightly easier, but I'm sure that you can make them both. We need a square piece of paper. From one printing paper, we can cut out a square, just if you get two of them, and position them like so. You can fold along this edge, cut this off and make a square. In another video, you can learn what foncing to do with this remaining part. For more tips on papers and how to fold this hen, visit OrigamiSpirit.com. If you want to make this version, you are going to need paper of different color on each side. Body, big. If you have paper of different color on each side, we are going to begin with the color of the body side up. Rotate it, and we are going to create a fold corner to corner. Rotate and repeat. Turn it over and make a fold at the center by aligning this edge with this edge. Unfold, rotate and repeat. And here we leave it folded. Then we hold it like so, and we have this fold, which is called the preliminary base. One side is open and one side is closed. If you have colored paper, you should end up with a base like this. Open side, closed side. Whether you use colored paper or white paper, you continue in the same fashion. So we are going to rotate, and this open side, we are going to fold it so that it aligns with the center crease that we have there. Rotate and repeat. Turn it over and repeat. Front and back are the same. So unfold, unfold, rotate, and we are going to create a fold from this point to this point. Open or unfold and fold along the same line to the back. And unfold. Turn it over. Press with one hand here above that triangle, and with the other hand we just take one flap and press it to the back so that we open like a big beak. Press to one side along existing creases there. Press and gently press and flatten. Turn it over and repeat. This is called a petal fold. If you are working with colored paper, you should have something looking like this. So these two narrow flaps, and then on this left side I have two long flaps and this central flap that is shorter. We are going to hold the paper from those bigger flaps, turn it like so, and pull so that that central area becomes flat. On the other side it looks like this. Then there is a crease along here. We fold along that crease so that we have this. We join those faces together and then we turn the paper over to hold it in the air and press on the back and on the front here gently so that we collapse it. We are creating new creases and we are making it flat. And with colored paper it will look like this. Now hold it in the air and press along this central horizontal edge so that we reverse the fold. Same here. We have these packets here, front and back. We want to fold this flap as if turning the page of a book. Turn it over and again fold the flap so that we have these two flaps here. And if we look it inside, we have this triangle at the center. If you are working with colored paper, it will look like this. The left side flap will be for the head and the right side flap will be for the tail. We are going to pre-fold the head. So we are going to make a fold starting at this point and ending here on this edge. And the guideline is that we fold and we are going to create a 90-degree angle right here. Press the folds. Unfold and fold to the back. This is pre-folding. Then unfold. Then we're going to insert the index finger here and with the other finger press and reverse. Then we are going to create the area of the crest and the beak. And also we are going to pre-fold. It's going to come from here up to here somewhere. So the guideline is that as we fold it to the back, we're going to visualize that this corner is right at the center of this long little flap. And press. Then for the beak, we are going to fold the paper back to the front, leaving a little bit here for the crest. That's just to taste and according to how long we want the beak to be. Here we can see this pre-fold again. If we release, we can press this open and fold, reverse fold to the back and reverse fold again to the front. Just following those pre-creases. We can leave it like this, or at this point we can color the crest and the beak, and it's very easy to do. Let's pre-fold the tail so that we take it out of the way. Unfold this area of the head. We'll see 3 folds, 3 creases. We are going to color from the middle one out to the point. Mid crease. Turn it over and repeat. Open this flap briefly. Then we can refold. And we can fold the tail. So we fold to the front, fold to the back, so that it aligns with itself. And then we are going to pinch here the tail, at the end of the tail. Pinch and bring it down so that this edge will align with the outer edges. and we're going to create a fold right from this corner to here, and same in the back. Then we can open to fold so that this point lies along an imaginary line about here. If you work with color paper, you are going to want to do exactly the same. 90-degree angle for the head, fold to the back, pre-fold. We're going to fold the tail here first, and then now we are going to gently open it, and we're going to change the color, the direction of the color. So you're going to see these zigzag folds here, and we want to make sure that that zigzag is a mountain fold. That one wants to be a mountain too, and the central one is going to become a valley fold. Press it so that it becomes a valley fold. And what we accomplish is that we have changed the color of that section. Fold to the back so that I can see what the angle here. And once in the front, we can fold this tip to the front so that we see the crest and the beak. We unfold, and again we inside reverse fold. And then the beak to the front. Now for each one of these hens, the procedure will be the same. We're going to rotate it like so and bring this edge to the center. Rotate and repeat. Turn it over and repeat. Locate these 2 points, and we're going to connect those points with a fold. See how it looks underneath? And here too, to the other side, so that they match. We are going to release those flaps, stand the hen up like so, and we are going to open to make the little basket area. We locate this folded edge here, and that edge is going to align right along this folded edge. So we are going to make a fold from this point into the center here. And for that we hold the paper from the flap, press to the outside, match the edges, and press. Repeat here. And on the other side. Now we're going to blunt this corner just a little bit by folding like so. And what we want to do is to create a pocket. And this point will be a tab, and this point will be a pocket. Unfold, gently open, and press this area inside. refold, creating this pocket here. And this will be the other half.
There are two ways to finish them.
This is a little bit more round, and this is a little bit more rectilinear. If you want to look like this, you're going to fold up and create a soft mountain fold from this corner to this corner.
And the edges will be more straight.
But if you want a round look, omit that and curl the paper a little bit like so on this side and on this side, whichever you prefer. And this point will be inserted into that pocket. Hold it hard from there and shape your hand the way you prefer.
If we make a soft fold here at the top of the handles, they will stay, but we can reinforce with a drop of glue. If we press the basket here, we can impart it a rounder shape. Do you like what you find in this channel? Subscribe and receive notifications for new videos.